Hi, everyone. My name is Brandon, and I am the supervisor here at the Writing Center. And I am joined here with another student at the Writing Center here.
My name is David Lohr. I'm a freshman at Fresno State.
All right. Thank you so much, David, for doing this interview. And it's so great to meet you. So I just want to ask you a few questions about the Writing Center and your experience here. So my first question is, did you find anything surprising about the Writing Center or about your writing? What did you like about it, about the Writing Center?
What surprised me most about it was that we were able to just bring in like any writing material that we wanted. Because I thought that writing center was going to be for like just essays and like that, but I was able to bring in my cover letter for my science project, and I was able to get it looked over with, and then we were able to get multiple perspectives, and it was very fun, and to be able to just improve it a lot, that was something that really surprised me.
Yeah, thank you so much for sharing that. And I'm glad the Writing Center was able to help you in your writing and that we're a great resource for that.
Okay. What struggles did you have about writing before coming to the Writing Center?
I think I lacked structure. I feel like I did not know how to structure my essays properly. But Michaela did an excellent job teaching me how to put my ideas out and then structure them correctly.
Lovely, lovely. Shout out to our tutor, Michaela, then. Okay, and to the third question, what did the Writing Center help you with? So this is maybe more broad general sense, but whatever comes to mind.
The Writing Center definitely, I feel like it gave me a boost of confidence in my writing, as well as different strategies to get my ideas out and then pinpoint what I really want to talk about.
Okay, so did the Writing Center make you feel like you belong or that you got the help you needed?
I think, yeah, definitely. Like I said, I was a little hesitant because it's like I'm not a very outgoing person. But I don't think you need to be a very outgoing person to, interact with a small group. So I definitely felt like I did belong, especially because we're all here to write. We're all writing. We have one thing in common. So I definitely felt like I belonged. And like I said, I did make friends. I did have good conversations. It's just a really good time overall.
Okay. Well, is there anything else you want to add that I haven't asked?
No, not yet.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Did the Writing Center make you feel like you belong or that you got the help that you needed?
Yes, it did. Yeah.
Okay. Do you mind saying like how that happened? Is it just getting feedback on your writing or is there something else?
No, we all like chit chat. So we all talk about like what we have connected and like what we can talk about.
Okay, so just talking to each other kind of helps?
Yeah, basically just like communicating and interacting with each other and just telling each other like our daily lives and like basically connecting through maybe food or music or like movie, like all that.
So we don't just talk about writing?
No. We like communicate about other stuff too.
So it looks like you two have become friends. Would that be fair to say?
Yeah, in a way, yeah.
I've kind of put you on the spot. Like, who's going to say, like, no, that's not my friend? Yeah. Okay. So,
And just my last question I want to ask you is, do you think the Writing Center is a great resource for all students on campus?
I think every student should at least try the writing center at least once. Even if you don't have time for the writing center, you should, let's call it, you can set up a one-on-one appointment and just have a tutor come with you and do it with you. But if you do have the time for it, do a small group. They're very good. And they can help you with any writing project, whether it be like science, English, maybe you're trying to become a teacher. They can help you with like some lesson planning, just about anything. It's really great. And I recommend Writing Center to almost everyone. Not almost everyone, everyone.
Thank you so much, David, for the interview, and thank you so much for those kind words and answering our questions. We love that you love the Writing Center. We're glad that you were here to, learn and develop your writing skills. But we're so glad to just hear that, you enjoyed it. That's all we really want, right? And that you had fun, and we're just so glad to hear all the thoughts that you said today. So what did you learn at the Writing Center? Was there anything that you want to talk about in terms of what you learned here, being in the small writing groups?
Well, like I said before, my process changed, and the lens. Sometimes you use is a lens, and I use that lens for my essays. And you guys when I come, every one of you know what to do with my essays, and and at the end is a student who fixes it because he learns or she learns how to do a process.
Yeah, that's amazing. I'm glad we're able to help in that way, and I'm glad you talked about the lenses, one of the great tools that we give.